Been 6 weeks now since two girls went missing in Delphi. The bodies of 14-year-old Libby German and 13-year-old Abby Williams were found the next day. Even though police have now scaled back the investigation, our Rich Van Wyk went to Delphi today and found the community is not giving up.
When Libby and Abby were taken from this bridge and found murdered just upstream, everyone hoped and many believed the case would be solved by now.
You know, everybody, they just want justice for the girls.
Since the murders, Mark Mendel and his wife have made and sold about 2,000 shirts, constant reminders of the girls and a commitment to find their killer or killers. Profits go to the victims' families. Are people beginning to wonder if this case is ever going to be solved?
Not really, no. They have a lot of faith. Everybody that I've talked to has a lot of faith.
In the police, they've checked more than 14,000 tips, interviewed more than 300 potential suspects, and took DNA samples from almost all of them. But they appear no closer to identifying their prime suspect than they were 6 weeks ago.
I was hoping we would be done in a week or 2 weeks.
Even though days and nights of work and a $200,000+ reward haven't given detectives the tips they need, Sergeant Riley insists they remain optimistic.
Every day I walk in this door and I see the faces of these guys that are not giving up. They have the determination to keep working, to keep getting this case closer and closer to its final arrest.
Investigators are moving more slowly, rechecking the evidence and going back over tips and interviews for anything that might have been missed.
It's going to be a long while before we can say this is a cold case.
Hi, ladies. How are you?
While we were talking, the Wolf family arrived with lunch. Earlier, they fed police a home-cooked breakfast. The community's caring and generosity seem boundless.
I hope it's saying that we support them and we really care about what they're doing.
People who live and work in Delphi appear as confident and committed as police, certain, they say, that there will be justice for Libby and Abby.